Adams' method is exactly same as Jefferson's method. The only difference is instead of we take a round down, okay, always round down, we take round up, okay? We are taking whole number up. You understand this? So that's the only difference. That's the only modified upper quarter. That's the only difference. Everything else is the same, okay? So we take a modified divisor, okay, and a modified quarter. So I'm going to go back to the same example that we have, okay? Okay, same example that we have. All right, so here is, I want to start from the standard divisor and then standard quarter, and then modified divisor and modified quarter. So right here, I'm gonna start with the standard divisor, which was 63, I remember. Everybody divide by 63 to get the standard quarter, right? So let's do it, and we had it. So what was the number? Anyone can read this for me? 4.36. Can anyone can read from your
4.36, 6.07,
6.07,
7.38,
38, and
12.17.
4.17, right? 12.17. Okay, so here is a typo. We take upper quarter. Okay, take upper quarter this time. Okay, take upper quarter. Upper quarter means we take round up. So this number become 5, that's 7, which is 8, it's 13. Round up. Are we okay how to take a rounding here? Rounding up, rounding down. So now this time, Adams' method, everybody round up. So you add those numbers, 5, 7, 8, and 13. And I have my number 33, which is a way higher than what we are looking for. We are looking for 30. Now here's a 33. So we are going to modify divisor here. So standard divisor, now it's to modify. So modify divisor. Okay, when you take a lower quota, we always make a number smaller. So 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, and so on. And when you take upper quota, we take a higher number. So 63, next one is a 64, next one is a 65, and then 66 until we get the magic number 30. So same exact technique. The only difference is we take upper quota, we take the number higher. So here is a tip here. When using Adams' method, begin with the modified divisor that is slightly greater than standard divisor. So my first attempt, I want to choose 64. If it works, take it. If not, then I move to 65 and so on. So everybody divided by 64 here. And then we take upper quota, and then so on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I need your help. You guys are good. So anyone have number for that? 4.29. So it's a 5. 383 over 64. 5.98. So this is 6. 465 over 64, 7.26, which is 8. 767 over 64. I have 11.98. This is 12. Everybody round up. Still 31. This is slightly higher than that we have. Agree? This is slightly higher than we have. So I'm going to use the next number. So what's my next choice? 65. Okay, so everybody divided by now 65. When can we stop? When we get that magic number 30, right? When we get that magic number 30, we stop. Okay, so I give you a few minutes. Is the 65 work? No, not working. Okay, work on this. And let's do it together and we can find apportionment. All right, so go ahead and try 65. Let me know if 65 works. $65 doesn't work. How about 66? 67? Try 67. Does 67 work? Is it 67 work? No. If not, then we move to 67 works. Okay, so one of you verified the 67 works. Let's see 67. Okay, let's see 67. So 275 over 67. I need a standard the modified quota. Anyone? 4.10. 383 over 67. 5.71. And the 465 over 67, 6.94. And the last one, which is 767 over 67, 11.44. And we take upper quota, 5, 6, 7, 12. 5, 6, 7, 12. We get magic number 30. So your apportionment is 5, 6, 7, 12. Okay, so it's a 30. And we have a modified divisor, 67. Okay. So just curious, is a 68 work?
No, 68 didn't work.
It didn't work. Let me see, 465 over 68. Okay, 68 works for me too. I don't know, double check with that, okay? Round up, everybody round up, okay? 68 works as well. So you can have a credit for 67, okay? 67 and 68. 68 works as well. Okay, 68 works as well. All right, so here's another one. I want you to try. It's Adam's method. Okay, it's Adam's method. That's on page 14. Okay, page 14, problem 6, right here. Okay, here is Adam's method, page 14, problem 6. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes. Same thing that we just had. Okay. Okay, so let's do it together. I need your help. So you have calculators. So give me some numbers here. So the first thing we have to do is a standard divisor. So standard divisor can be found total population over allocated items. Now, it's because there are two numbers. It's 7 doctors apportioned to 4 clinics. Some of you probably say here is a 4, but these are 4 clinics. So apportioned, we are apportioned the number of doctors. So standard divisor is this. Okay, so your standard divisor is 100. Do we understand how to put this into standard divisor? So first thing we have standard divisor. So standard quota, that's the first thing we do. Everybody divided by standard divisor. Okay, so it's 1.2, 1.8, 1.6, and 2.4. It's because of Adam's method, we take upper quota. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 3. So we have 9. This is a way bigger than what we are looking for, right? Way bigger than what we are looking for. This is our magic number, right? Remember, this is our magic number 7. So what we are doing here, I take a modified divisor. So let's first look at modified divisor, modified from standard divisor, always the larger number, always make the large number, 101, 102, 103, 104, so on and so forth. So I'm going to say, anyone has number? Let's try 120. Make it really big. Okay, try 120 and the modified quota. Okay. Okay, so I want to divide everybody by 120. Make a bigger number. So here is, okay, 120, 120, 120, 120. So here's a 1. Okay, so it's 1. 180 over 120, I have 1.5. So it is a 2. 160 over 120, I have 1.33. So it's a 2 again. 240 over 120, which is 2. So it is a 2. Okay, so whole number as it's a whole number. So I have a 7. Oh, 120 works. Okay. Just curious, is it 121 works as well? I think so. 121 works as well. 122 works as well. I think so. So you can have a couple of modified divisors.